In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial skill for managing your business's finances effectively and ensuring that all your transactions are accurately recorded. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we'll begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online. To do this, click on the Sign In button on the website. Once you're there, make sure to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. It's important to ensure you're accessing the right platform because QuickBooks also offers other products that cater to different needs. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password, then hit Continue to log in. Remember to keep your login information secure to protect your financial data. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. Here, you'll want to locate the New button. This button will help you initiate various transactions, including paying down your credit card balance. So click on New and then choose the option labeled Pay Down Credit Card. Now you'll see a question asking which credit card did you pay. Select the appropriate credit card account from the list. This step is crucial because it ensures the payment is applied to the correct account. Next, you'll need to choose the bank account that was used to make the payment. Select your bank account from the drop-down menu. If you're dealing with multiple accounts, make sure you pick the right one to avoid any potential confusion. If needed, you can add a payee in the provided field. This is useful for maintaining detailed records and can help you trace back to the source of a payment if needed. You'll then be asked, how much did you pay? Enter the exact amount of the credit card payment in the designated field. After that, choose the date of the payment. This helps keep your records organized and ensures that your financial statements accurately reflect your cash flow for the specific period. Then you'll need to answer the question, what did you use to make this payment? Here, select the bank account from which the funds were drawn for the payment. If you made the payment using a check, click on the option stating, I made a payment with a check. In that case, you'll also need to enter the check number, which is essential for tracking and referencing purposes if any future questions about this transaction arise. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on the Save and Close button to record the transaction. This final step ensures your data is securely stored and your books are up to date. And there you have it, a complete guide to categorizing credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. Remember, accurate record keeping is vital for maintaining the financial health of your business, and using tools like QuickBooks can make this process both efficient and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.